You think hemorrhoids come from spicy food or not eating enough fiber? That's what I thought too. But here's the truth. Hemorrhoids are just a symptom, not the root problem. They are like a check engine light, a signal something deeper is off. If you have been stuck in the flare-up cycle and don't know why, in this episode, I will show you what really causes hemorrhoids, from poop mechanics to pelvic floors, so you can finally start healing the right way. My name is Bimal Moharjan. I am founder of Gutsphere, and more importantly, I have lived this years of straining, bleeding, flare-ups. Let's start with the basics. Everyone has hemorrhoidal veins. They are part of the normal anatomy in your anal canal. But when they get swollen or inflamed, that's when we call it hemorrhoids. It's like varicose veins, but in a place no one wants to talk about. There are two types: internal hemorrhoids inside the rectum, painless but can bleed, and external hemorrhoids around the anus can hurt, itch, and swell. And they are graded from 1 to 4, depending on how much they bulge or prolapse. Now let's get to the real question. Why do hemorrhoids happen in the first place? And the answer isn't one thing. It's a system of causes. Number one, constipation plus straining. Pushing hard on the toilet increases pressure in your rectal veins. Chronic straining stresses the tissue, damages the valves, and leads to inflammation. Number two, sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for long periods on hard surfaces reduces blood flow to the rectum. Less circulation equal to more pressure buildup equal more hemorrhoids. Number three, weak anal sphincters plus pelvic floor dysfunction. Most people don't realize this. Your pelvic is like a trampoline of muscles at the base of your body. If those muscles are too tight or too weak, your poop coordination gets messed up. And that leads to, you guessed it, straining. Number four, genetics plus pregnancy plus age. Some people are born with weaker connective tissue. Hormonal changes, gain weight, and pressure from pregnancy all play a role too. And number five, diet plus dehydration. Low fiber diets equal to hard stools. Not drinking enough water equal to dry stools. And both, that's the perfect recipe for straining. 6. Stress, breath holding, and system. Ever notice you hold your breath while lifting something heavy or even during a tensed moment? That's called Valsalva maneuver. It spikes pressure in your abdomen. Stress also tightens your pelvic floor and slows digestion. So the nervous system, especially the autonomic part, is heavily involved here. This is where it gets personal. For some people, it's all about the diet. For others, it's mechanical, lifting, posture, poor bowel habits. In my case, in 2016, it was diet, stress, and constipation. But now, it's the way I move. High intensity workout, sometimes poor pelvic floor coordination, and pressure mismanagement. Hemorrhoids aren't one size fits all. The key is, don't just treat the symptom, identify your pattern. And here is what a systems thinking approach looks like. Fix your stool mechanics. More fiber, hydration, stool softeners if needed. Number two, fix your movement patterns. No straining, good posture. Number three, fix your pressure management. Breath, bracing, pelvic floor work. Number four, fix your stress loop. Nervous system regulation, relaxation, sleep. 5. Fix your relapse triggers. Track what causes flare-ups. That's how we heal hemorrhoids naturally, by solving the ecosystem that creates. And like me, you can use the Gutsphere app to build that system. Download the app, link in description. It's available for both Android and iOS. And a quick reminder, not all hemorrhoids can be healed naturally. If yours are severe, grade 3 or 4, or if you have constant bleeding, pain, or prolapse, please talk to a GI doctor. Surgery or procedures might be necessary. But for many people, especially with early grades, a natural, consistent protocol can work. In the next episode, we will walk you through the grading system for hemorrhoids, what stage you are in, what's reversible, and what might need clinical care. So hit subscribe if you haven't. And if you're watching this thinking, wow, this is me, just know you are not alone. There is a way forward.